Wash your brushes. I need some earrings. I feel like, and then I don't feel like I want to wear this hat. Let me see. I don't really feel like being bald today. I'm not feeling with this look. Do I want fur? Maybe let me put on some earrings. Let me see. You know, sometimes you just gotta find the right you gotta find the right accessory for the ensemble. Which way I want them to hang on? I'm hanging this way. People love when I wear these earrings. I got them off of Shein. Little wine glasses. That's so cute. Well, big wine glasses. These are the Olivia Pope wine glasses right here. Aren't they so cute? Adorable. Let me put the link down in the underneath the bar. Big forehead. Now do I want it down? Up. Do I want a scar? I don't know. I'm not feeling the scalp today. Alrighty then. You ever want bigger, like more volume? More volume? Girl, I need to get some hairspray. Well, I mean, I have some. I just don't feel like getting up. I need more volume. Now, I had this wig before. But for some reason, the hair feels different. I think they use or have a different process for the hair. Like, cause I bought this wig twice before, and I rebought it because I didn't take care of it the last time. But I take a lot better care of it this time around, and I noticed that the texture changed. Like, this hair is thinner. Like, they overprocessed it. Yeah, they overprocessed it. Cause normally I think they go from or underprocessed it. Cause I know when they make the kinky hair, they have to process it more. I think, cause it's not real hair, it's synthetic. It's a synthetica. But for some reason, cause I don't want the front of this to look like George Washington hair. You know that the flat, I hate that. And I'll put a picture of me with this wig when it first came out, cause I bought it. I snatched it up when it first came out. I'm gonna have to like pick it out even more. And I didn't want to have to do that because it seems like when you pick it out, it gets even bigger. Cause these curls, I mean, they were that big when I bought it, but I'm gonna cut some layers into it later. Okay, that works. I like that better. I think I might tease this part in the front later, but I like her. She's cute. But you see how right here is not, it just is limp. Don't nobody want no white girl hair. Unless the white girl hair is big and curly. Okay. What else gonna do till we get free? What we gonna talk about today?